Removing a processor heatsink. Remove the following components in the following order: the top cover, the air baffle. If necessary, remove the intrusion switch. Remove all the memory modules. Carefully open the retaining clip to disengage the memory module. Holding both ends of the memory module, carefully lift it up to remove it from the slot. To remove the processor heatsink, use a Phillips screwdriver to fully loosen the captive screws from the heatsink in the removal sequence shown on the heatsink label. Important: to prevent damage to the processor, make sure to follow the loosening sequence indicated on the heatsink label. Lift the heatsink up evenly to remove it from the node.